Pakistan train siege has ended after a fierce battle in Balochistan. The Jafar Express was hijacked by the Balochistan Liberation Army, BLA, on March 11, 2025. Attackers detonated explosives, halting the train, and opened fire on passengers. The Pakistan Armed Forces launched a counter-operation, killing 33 BLA insurgents and rescuing 346 hostages. The attack resulted in 64 deaths, including 23 soldiers, and injured 37 others. Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif condemned the attack, calling it a cowardly act, and vowing to eliminate terrorism. Subscribe to my channel for more news updates.